Yes, we are going to unbox this box. So let's see what is there inside this box. We know that, but this is a surprise. Uh, oh, it's difficult. Come and stand here. I think today first time we both are having the video. We plan to do in future. I don't know. We have a time for that. What are you doing there?
What is the time now?
Oh, it is really difficult. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Come here. Let's show this. So this is just a round table for this is something we ordered today. This is we can keep it here in the side table, bedside table. I think. Not I think I am the one ordered, so I know it where I need to keep it. So it looks nice actually. The size is also as expected. It is really good. So come this way. Come this side. Show your face here. Come this side.
It looks like my table.
Oh no, it is not your table. This is we ordered for our bedroom.
Bedroom table?
Yeah. No, don't do that in the video. Don't do that.
We ordered to that bed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks nice. It is really working good. I'm able to what is called this? Fix it here. Yeah, that's good. This color is also really looking good. This is actually small size, but they already put the sizes and all on the Amazon, right? By the way, we ordered this in the Amazon. Yeah, it is really fixed well. Yeah, the table is ready. But this is not for Mahathi. This is for our bedroom. We can use it for I think for a plant also. We can keep the plant.
Okay.
But this is very small. Yeah, I thought it will be big size, but it's okay. Okay.
Mommy,
Thank
mommy.
you. Yeah. Okay. Is it?
Thank you. That time video. Just bye.
Even I didn't give any practice for her. She started doing herself. Thank you, everyone. We'll do the next video soon.
Soon.
Bye bye.